Hi everyone, I am Mark Tulben L. Kabatingan, and today I will talking about what I would do for Christmas. In here are the list of what I do for Christmas. Cooking my favorite food, playing basketball tournament,
Makakaw Subo.
Mom, Mark.
playing bowling,
Don't be aggressive. I realize that the hard part.
going swimming, going KTV, doing paddling race course,
Oh, reaction! Ready for 2-0 hearts! Now! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
doing Christmas decors,